We live in a world of constant change. Technology disruption is evolving the rules of the game almost every day. Metaverse, 5G, edge, blockchain, NFTs open up countless new horizons and opportunities, while generating a scenario of unceasing challenges that is impossible to predict. But change is not the only constant. This new era of digital transformation and high uncertainty has something permanent. Something that is the backbone of the digital world and the anchor foundation for the development of all these technologies. Telco industry, its infrastructures and networks that enable digital life and connect people and businesses of today and tomorrow. In that profound commitment to remain the key to building tomorrow's society, a unique ecosystem of big global telecom companies have joined in a unique alliance. An alliance created with the mission to reinvent the industry by discovering the most disruptive startups and the potential to provide access to a network of 700 million customers with a footprint in more than 50 markets, and with access to a technological infrastructure and investment ecosystem with a global reach. A unique ecosystem for the promotion of projects that develop the technologies of tomorrow to bring to life a better world than we ever imagined. Alaian, disruptive telcos for disruptive startups.